Samsung has a track record of introducing innovative features in its smartphones, only to phase them out later. However, one such feature, variable aperture, could be making a return with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. Renowned leaker Ice Universe suggests that Samsung is considering equipping the S26 Ultra's main camera with a variable aperture mechanism. This feature adjusts light intake based on the environment, optimizing image quality. Additionally, it allows users to control background blur, while brightness can be fine-tuned by adjusting the ISO. This added flexibility can be beneficial in certain shooting conditions. Samsung first introduced dual aperture technology with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, allowing the camera to switch between f1.5 and f2.4 depending on lighting conditions. The f1.5 setting let in more light for reduced noise, but resulted in a narrower field of view, while the f2.4 setting was ideal for more bright environments, requiring a wider depth of field. This feature carried over to the Galaxy S10 series, but was removed with the Galaxy S20 series. Now, it seems Samsung plans to bring back variable aperture with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, though it remains unclear whether it will offer multiple settings like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra or just two options like the Galaxy S9. Samsung is shifting its focus to the Exynos 2600 for the Galaxy S26 series, seemingly deprioritizing the Exynos 2500. Originally planned for the Galaxy S25 series, the Exynos 2500 faced delays due to low yield rates. According to a report from The Bell, Samsung has not yet finalized the Exynos 2500 for the Galaxy Z Flip FE, despite previous rumors linking it to both the Z Flip 7 and the Flip FE. The company has been working to improve its 3nm foundry yields to produce the Exynos 2500, with positive developments in recent months. However, it has not yet confirmed whether it will be utilized. A semiconductor industry official stated that while the Exynos 2500 once seemed certain, its chances of being used have recently declined. The uncertain future of this chip has reportedly impacted Samsung's system LSI and foundry business units, leading to performance issues and a decline in staff morale, with tensions arising over responsibility for the setbacks. Reports suggest that system LSI and foundry are putting all their efforts into ensuring its success. Samsung is also determined to secure 2nm customers, making the production of Exynos 2600 crucial to demonstrating its competitiveness in advanced semiconductor manufacturing. Samsung is expected to enhance the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera system by increasing the resolution of the 3i zoom telephoto lens to 50 megapixels. The device is also rumored to feature a silicon-carbon battery with up to 5,500 mAh capacity and a more power-efficient display. Samsung was once known for offering a wide range of features in its devices, but over the years, it has gradually removed some, such as the IR blaster and bundled chargers. This raised concerns among fans that the company might also discontinue the S Pen. However, Annika Beeson, Samsung's VP of Product and Marketing UK, reassured users in an interview with TechRadar that the S Pen remains an essential part of Samsung's premium devices, especially the Ultra series. Many people use it for taking notes in meetings and other tasks, making it a key feature that Samsung does not plan to remove anytime soon. Even with the rise of AI-powered drawing tools, Samsung believes the S Pen still holds great value. Annika Beeson highlighted that creativity is one of the company's core values, and the S Pen plays a crucial role in allowing users to sketch and design freely. Features like sketch to image enhance this experience, making the S Pen more useful rather than obsolete. With this in mind, future models like the Galaxy S26 Ultra will continue to include the S Pen, ensuring it remains a major part of Samsung's flagship devices.
Samsung has upgraded its design with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, featuring a titanium frame for extra durability and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on the back. The phone has curved edges, thinner bezels, and comes in phantom black, titanium gray, emerald green, and burgundy red. It's also IP68 rated, making it water and dust resistant. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display offers 3200 by 1440 resolution, a 165 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and 3000 nits peak brightness, ensuring a sharp and smooth experience. Vision Booster 2.0 enhances visibility in all lighting conditions. For performance, it runs on either the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage. An AI-powered cooling system keeps the device from overheating. The camera setup includes a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope lens with 200x zoom, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 3D TOF sensor for better portrait shots. The 50 megapixel selfie camera supports Nightography 2.0 for clear, low-light photos. It also records 8K videos at 60 FPS with super steady mode and AI scene optimization. A 6,000 mAh battery supports 120 watt fast charging 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, 50 watts wireless charging, and 15 watts reverse charging. AI battery optimization helps extend usage. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7.0, the S26 Ultra includes AI-powered features like call summarization, smart reply suggestions, and auto-generated captions. The S Pen now has 1.5 milliseconds latency, AI-powered text conversion, and real-time translation. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and UWB along with AI-powered call noise reduction. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Samsung DeX enhancements, and Samsung Knox 3.0 security add to the premium experience. The Galaxy S26 Ultra starts at $1,399, with high-end models reaching $1,799. Pre-orders begin soon, with trade-in deals and discounts available.